exposing the grit in greatness. The story of Henry Ford is not just a tale of innovation and success, it is a testament to the power of perseverance and vision. This is the untold story of Henry Ford, a man whose name is synonymous with the automobile industry, but whose journey began in the most humble of circumstances. The boy who turned dreams into drive. Born on July 30th, 1863, in a small farmhouse in Greenfield Township, Michigan, Henry Ford was the eldest of 6 children. His parents, William and Mary Ford, were Irish immigrants who worked tirelessly to provide for their family. Picture this: a young boy on a Michigan farm surrounded by the vastness of nature and the simplicity of rural life, eyes wide with wonder at a steam engine. From a young age, Henry was captivated by the mechanics of machinery. He would spend hours watching the steam engines that powered the farm equipment, dreaming of the possibilities they held. That boy was Henry Ford. His curiosity and fascination with machines were evident early on, and he would often take apart and reassemble watches and other mechanical devices to understand how they worked. Growing up as the son of humble farmers, Henry learned the value of hard work and determination. His father hoped he would take over the family farm, but Henry had other plans. He was fascinated by machines from an early age. He spent his free time tinkering with mechanical parts, dreaming of a future where machines could make life easier for everyone. As he grew older, Henry's passion for machinery only intensified. He left the farm at the age of 16 to work as an apprentice machinist in Detroit, where he gained valuable experience and honed his skills. Fast forward a few years, and Ford is relentless in his pursuit to build a simple, affordable car for everyone. He believed that the automobile should not be a luxury for the wealthy, but a necessity for the common man. And Ford is relentless in his pursuit to build a simple, affordable car for everyone. He worked tirelessly, often late into the night, experimenting with different designs and materials. He faced failure after failure, but each setback only fueled his determination. He founded the Detroit Automobile Company in 1899, but it quickly went bankrupt due to high production costs and low sales, like the collapse of the Detroit Automobile Company. Despite this failure, Henry did not lose hope. He learned from his mistakes and continued to refine his ideas, but he didn't give up. He knew that success was not a straight path, but a journey filled with obstacles and challenges. With grit and determination, Henry Ford pressed on. He believed in his vision and was willing to do whatever it took to make it a reality. He created the Ford quadricycle, his first successful gasoline-powered vehicle. It was a modest machine, but it marked the dawn of a new era in transportation. A modest machine that marked the dawn of a new era. The quadricycle was a simple, lightweight vehicle with a 2-cylinder engine, but it was a significant step forward in automotive design. Then came the breakthrough, the Ford Motor Company, founded in 1903. With a team of dedicated engineers and workers, Henry set out to revolutionize the automobile industry and the revolutionary assembly line. This innovation allowed for mass production of cars, significantly reducing costs and making automobiles affordable for the average person. This innovation didn't just make cars affordable, it changed global manufacturing forever. The assembly line became a model for industries worldwide, transforming the way products were made. It changed global manufacturing forever. The impact of Henry Ford's assembly line extended far beyond the automotive industry, influencing manufacturing processes in countless other fields. Henry Ford became an icon, a symbol of what relentless drive can achieve. His success was not just measured in the number of cars produced, but in the way he transformed society, a symbol of what relentless drive can achieve. He received numerous accolades and honors for his contributions to industry and society, cementing his legacy as a pioneer and visionary. From humble beginnings to the pinnacle of automotive innovation, Henry Ford's story is a testament to the power of dreams and determination. He showed that with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible. Henry Ford's story shows that no dream is too big. Was it fate, or was it the drive to change the world forever? Perhaps it was a combination of both, a perfect blend of destiny and determination, or was it the drive to change the world forever? Henry Ford's journey is a powerful reminder that we all have the potential to make a difference, no matter where we come from or what challenges we face. How did a poor child revolutionize the automobile industry and create an empire? The answer lies in his unwavering belief in his vision and his relentless pursuit of excellence. Join us on this journey to discover the untold story of Ford's rise. Explore the trials and triumphs, the failures and successes that shaped Henry Ford into the legend he became. His story is not just about building cars, it's about building a legacy that continues to inspire generations. From the fields of Michigan to the factories of Detroit, from the first quadricycle to the millions of cars produced today, Henry Ford's impact is felt around the world. His vision of making transportation accessible to all has transformed the way we live, work, and connect with each other. As we delve deeper into his life, we will uncover the principles and philosophies that guided him, the innovations that set him apart, and the legacy that endures. Henry Ford's story is a powerful reminder that with passion, perseverance, and a little bit of ingenuity, we can achieve greatness. So buckle up and get ready to be inspired by the incredible journey of Henry Ford, the man who turned his dreams into drive and changed the world forever.